Still in breakfast mode to start things off today, and I'm doing a simple tuna breakfast pie. Thanks to the folks at Grace Tuna making it possible. I'm using Grace Tuna in a lovely, nice, egg-filled, crusty breakfast pie. Let's get started, and I'm starting with eggs. So as I said, breakfast mode. I have some eggs, and I want to season my eggs. Important to season the eggs. So I have about 5 eggs here. I want to season well, some salt, some pepper. Love me some good green seasoning. Trini green seasoning really makes everything that much better. So I'm going to add some green seasoning directly to my eggs. Your favorite pepper sauce. I always believe I don't like to add pepper afterwards. I like to cook with pepper, but that's just me. So I always kind of use my favorite pepper sauce if I want a little spice and I just want a little kick in this. So your favorite pepper sauce, just add to the heat that you like. I just want to beat this, kind of just mash it up. I don't want to overbeat it. I just really want to just get it. And this is where the fun really starts. So I have some cream cheese, guys. This cream cheese I'm going to add just about, as I said, just about a quarter of the pack of cream cheese, quarter block. And I'm adding my eggs directly into this cream cheese mixture. What I want to do now is to break the cream cheese in the eggs. So I want to use my whisk and really just kind of whisk. It's going to take a little time, but it's going to make the dish a lot creamier, a little more luxurious when you're biting into the pie. And you want to ensure that at least all the lumps in the cream cheese kind of gets in as much as possible to the eggs. Just going to work you out here a little bit. Right, guys, so just about now when you stop seeing all the little lumps of the cream cheese, everything kind of incorporated nicely together, it's time now to add some other ingredients. So let's add some other ingredients. I have some oats. So the purpose of these oats really is almost like a binder. The oats will kind of get nice and fluffed in there and bring everything together. And now I'm going to add my Grace Tuna. So I'm using the Grace Tuna in water, shredded. You can use the chunk if you wish, but I just really wanted to use the shredded so that it kind of incorporates nicely and spreads evenly in my pie. So I'm using 2 cans of Grace Tuna. I just want to mix that in. To this, I'm adding a bit of cheese. So I'm adding some cheese directly in here as well. Some peppers, some onions goes in there. Carrots, so this is nice, healthy. Get your veggies in. Some carrots, a little bit of pimentos. I hear my make I like pimentos in anything, and some fresh chives. And you basically kind of just fold everything together here. Make sure all the vegetables mixed in and incorporated nicely. Such a cool breakfast idea. Really such a cool breakfast idea. All you need now, once everything is kind of incorporated, what I like to do is probably just for safety, just a little layer of salt and pepper just to season. And now, grease dish, and all you do is pour everything in there. Look at that. Full of protein. If you're a tuna lover like me, when I'm not eating meat, I eat a lot of tuna. Lovely veggies in there. Final touch, just want to take a little bit of cheese, simple cheddar cheese. You don't want to get overly fancy. And you just really just want a nice little crusty top, nice little cheesy top. So I sprinkle some cheese just over the top. Nothing fancy, guys. All the ingredients, thanks to the folks at Grace Tuna for making it possible. This tuna pie will bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. When it comes out, I'll cut a slice and Mikkel Tasha is standing by. Come on back. So in just about a half hour or so, 30 minutes, my tuna breakfast pie looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Full of vegetables and full of goodness. So the trick with this now is it's really just about making sure the edges kind of pull away. When it's finished baking, it will pull away nicely like this. And then you could attempt to cut the first slice, which is usually the hardest slice to get. Press it up there. Hey, perfect breakfast thanks to Grace Tuna, my tuna breakfast pie.